Why is China's factory activity worsening, and what does it mean for the economy? 2026. Why is China's factory activity worsening, and what does it mean for the economy? The latest data reveals a worrying slowdown that could ripple through global markets. You need to understand the stakes right now. Recent reports from Bloomberg show that China's factory activity has worsened, marking a significant slowdown in the manufacturing sector. The Purchasing Managers' Index, PMI, has fallen below the expansion threshold, indicating that factories are producing less and new orders are declining. This drop is a clear warning sign that China's economic momentum is faltering after months of uncertainty. Manufacturing is a key driver of China's GDP, so this contraction raises alarms about growth prospects in the coming quarters. China is the world's largest manufacturing hub and a major supplier for global companies. When factory activity slows, it triggers ripple effects internationally. Suppliers, exporters, and markets that depend on Chinese goods face delays and shortages. This can increase costs worldwide and hurt companies reliant on Chinese inputs. Investors often react swiftly to such data, causing stock market volatility. The worsening factory data raises concerns about a broader economic slowdown that could impact global growth and trade. The direct impact of worsening factory activity falls on Chinese exporters, many of whom are already under pressure from weaker overseas demand. Suppliers of raw materials and components see orders decline, which can cascade down to smaller businesses. Factory workers might face reduced hours or layoffs if production cuts continue. This domestic pain can slow consumer spending in China, further deepening the economic slowdown. For international businesses relying on Chinese manufacturing, delays and cost increases become urgent challenges. As factory activity worsens, Chinese policymakers face mounting pressure to stimulate growth. They may deploy measures such as easing credit, investing in infrastructure, or lowering taxes for manufacturers. The goal will be to revive factory output and confidence quickly. How effectively these steps are implemented will determine whether the economy stabilizes or if the slowdown deepens. Investors and businesses worldwide will be watching closely for signals of recovery or further trouble. To understand how this situation evolves, watch China's PMI reports in the coming months. Also, monitor official statements on stimulus plans or reforms targeting manufacturing and exports. Global markets will react to any signs of improvement or further contraction. For businesses and investors, staying informed can help manage risks related to supply chain disruptions or market volatility triggered by China's economic shifts. What this means for you is that China's factory slowdown isn't just a local issue. It can affect global prices, availability of goods, and market stability. Whether you're a consumer, investor, or business owner, staying alert to these economic signals can help you prepare and adapt. Subscribe now for daily updates to keep ahead of these fast-moving trends.